One morning, when Zebra woke up in bed, he stretched out his hooves and scratched his head. Oh no, he cried with a panicked frown. My lovely black stripes are upside down. He tried to fix them with sticky tape, but they wobbled and wiggled, wouldn't stay in shape. He painted on stripes with a big wide brush, but the paint splashed off with a whoosh and a whoosh. The other animals giggled and cheered. Zebra, your stripes are super weird. So he danced and pranced with rainbow glee. I'm the silliest zebra you'll ever see. Then along came Giraffe with spots of blue. I painted my spots with super glue. And Kangaroo bounced with polka dots. I swapped my pouch for a pocket of spots. Monkey wore shoes with laces long, singing a silly banana song. Elephant's trunk was tied in a bow, and he sprayed pink paint wherever he'd go. The jungle was filled with laughter loud, as animals dressed up wild and proud. They twirled and whirled till the sun sank low. Then Zebra said, "Let's start the fashion show." So if you meet a zebra in funny stripes, or an elephant with rainbow wipes, don't be surprised, just clap and cheer, for silly animals bring the best of cheer.